Hi, today in this video we are going to see how to improve your joints health with the help of yoga asanas. With the age, the bones get weaker, that will cause the joint problems. So let's start. First asana to improve your joint health is camel pose, which is called as Ustrasana also. To perform this, we have to stand on our knees. Try to keep shoulder width distance in your knees. Keep a stable position. Then roll your hands and drop on your heels. Take a deep inhale and put pressure on hands. Try to push your back forward as much as possible and drop your head totally down. Keep breathing while doing this. Try to keep your elbows straight. Don't bend your elbows like this. Try to keep them straight. Feel stretch on your entire upper body. Very slowly bend your elbows, roll your hands and come back in normal position. Try to repeat the camel pose at least 3 to 4 times with 20 seconds hold in each. Second asana is wide-legged forward bend. To perform this, sit on your mat, spread your legs wide, keep your spine straight, take a deep inhale, raise your hands up, exhale, bend forward, keep hands on your toes and try to push your head towards the floor. If you can't touch your head to the floor, no problem, try to hold here, but keep your knees straight, don't lift them like this, push your knees down and keep trying to push your head down. Keep breathing while doing this. Very slowly get up and perform this asana 4 to 5 times. This asana is very good to improve your knees health, that is the major problem with the people. Next asana to improve your joints health is Viparit Karani. To perform the Viparit Karani, you have to lie down on back. Keep your legs straight and join. You can keep hands around your body, or to give your back support, you can keep your hands under your hip also. Now very slowly exhale and lift your both legs together to 90 degree. Toes stretch inside and try to keep your knees straight. Keep your back flat on your floor. Keep breathing here. Focus on your core and your knees. Very slowly without bending knee, drop your legs down and release your hands. You can repeat the Viparit Karani for at least 7 to 8 times with 15 seconds hold in each. Fourth asana to improve your joints health is Ashwa Sanchalana. This is very good asana to improve your lower body joints health. To perform this, you have to take the plank pose first. Keep your body parallel to the floor. Then take your right leg forward between your hands. If you are beginner, you can touch your left knee down. Otherwise, try to keep it lifted. Push your hip, try to look up. Hold this pose for at least 15 seconds. And then without break, change your leg. Try to repeat 5 times with each leg without rest. Now left leg forward between your hands. Push your hip. Try to look up. Again hold this for 15 seconds. Then take your leg backward and knees down. Fifth asana for your joints health is Trikonasana, triangle pose. To perform this asana, stand in back of the mat. Keep your body straight and stable. Keep your left leg forward. Try to keep your left feet straight and right feet crossed. Spread your hands. Exhale and slowly drop your left hand down on your leg. Try to hold your ankle. Keep looking at your right hand. Hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds and then very slowly come back. Take your leg behind and now perform with your right leg. So keep your right leg forward. Again, keep your right feet straight, left feet cross. Spread your hands. Slowly exhale and drop your right hand on your right ankle. Left hand up. Hold this pose again for 20 to 30 seconds. Raise your hands and get back to normal position. Trikonasana is very good for your knee joint and your back joint. So practice this. These all asanas are for your joint health. Try to do it in the sunlight to get better results with your joint health. Thanks for watching this video. Stay happy and stay healthy.